Hello, King and Queens. Welcome back to Kelly Grace TV. Today, guys, we are going to make hibiscus juice. So here is my hibiscus flower. It's already washed, thoroughly washed and clean. As you can see, it's wet, and you see my hands. The color is there. So it is washed, and I have my pineapple here also washed. My lemongrass, they are also washed. All my ingredients are thoroughly washed, guys. So here I have 2 lemon washed, also 2 small lemon, and I have some peeled and washed ginger. I have 2 little turmeric. That's optional, guys. I just have it in my fridge. I thought to add 2 of it. And I have some fresh mint leaf just cut from the ground. They are so fresh and the smell is so strong. And here I have some sugar. Of course, you need some sweetener, which is sugar in this case. If you want to use honey, you can use it, but trust me, you are going to use a lot of it because hibiscus is a strong flower that needs a lot of, you guys know. Okay, so here I am peeling off the skin on my pineapple. Sorry, guys. And usually some people just use the skin for, in this case, to make hibiscus juice, but today I'm going to use everything, include the skin and include the pineapple itself, because my pineapple is so small. Yeah, and that's all I can get my hands on in my area right now. So I thought I should use everything. I'm going to use the pineapple and the skin. Everything is usable and useful. Yeah. So now after cutting them, I'm gonna move to you see this part, I will dispose it. I'm not gonna use that part. That's the bottom of the pineapple. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna throw it away. And then I will go ahead and cut my ginger in some big chunk. That's what I'm doing right here, just some big chunks, so you can get most of the flavor, the spice, the flavor inside your juice. And I'm doing the same thing for my lemon here. So I will add everything to my cooking pot. That's what I'm doing. Adding my pineapple and the skin, the peel, everything in the pots. It doesn't matter whichever comes first. Okay, guys. I'm throwing in my hibiscus flower, and I will be add everything else, the lemongrass, the mint leaf. This leaf is so fresh. The smell is all over my kitchen. Yeah, chicken. Kitchen and chicken in my tongue, in my mouth, guys. Whew. So now I'll put everything on fire, and I'll be adding some water to it. You are going to need a lot of water. A lot of water for your hibiscus juice, because this flower is a strong flower and is heavy as well. And all this ingredient that I added to it, guys, you guys know the benefits of all of them. If you don't know, I will advise you to go online, Google, and search for all of them, the benefits and everything. They are so good for your body. So now my juice is boiling, and I let it boil for 20 minutes or 25 minutes if you want. Let it boil. Okay, guys. And then I will separate the juice from the all the chunks, the flour and everything. Okay. Make sure you are doing this often while it's boiling. So guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, breaking news, do it right away before the video ends. Do it, guys, because there's a breaking news for all of those people who are watching. Come and watch and they don't subscribe. Okay, I will tell you guys next time. Okay, watch, subscribe and activate all the bell sign so you can get notified whenever I upload some new video. So for my first round, the juice is ready. So now I'm going to strain it so that I'll get rid of all the chunks, the flour and everything. And then I'll use my everything, the hibiscus, ginger, everything, and I will add some more water to it and let it boil for the second time, about 15 to 20 minutes again. So guys, as you can see, you saw me, I added my sugar to it while it's still hot. It helps it dissolve fast. That's all. Okay, so this is my second time. I'm going to put it on fire again for 15 to 20 minutes and let it boil again. Guys, sometimes back home, people can boil this for 3 times and get all the juice, everything from this, because hibiscus is so strong. So when you do it just for the first time, the juice is so strong and sometimes it is so sour. So you need to, at least for the second time boil it and add it to it. You see that first time, you see how foamy it. Yeah, so that's why I will advise you to boil it 2 times. Okay, that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time in my next upload. Bye bye. Ciao.